When you search for the best corded circular saw, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1. DeWalt DWE 575SB. First up is the DeWalt circular saw, model DWE 575SB, priced at $149. What caught my attention here is its lightweight design. At just 8.8 pounds, it's one of the lightest in its class. If you want a powerful, easy-to-handle saw for various projects, this is worth a serious look. This saw has a 15-amp motor, which means it can handle even tougher applications without breaking a sweat. The 57-degree bevel capacity allows for versatile cuts, while the electric brake stops the blade quickly after you release the trigger, enhancing safety. Plus, the durable aluminum base ensures accurate cuts, which is essential for precision work. With a solid 4.8-star rating from over 5,100 reviews, it's clearly well-loved by users. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking for a saw that combines power with ease of use, this one checks all the boxes. Now, some people complain about it being a bit noisy during operation. Here's the thing though, while it might not be the quietest option, that noise is a trade-off for the power it delivers. If you're working in a home workshop, you might want to consider ear protection, but for most users, it won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional needing a reliable tool for various cutting tasks. Skip this one if you're looking for a super quiet saw, because this one's got some volume. Now, if the DeWalt DWE 575SB's noise level concerned you, the next one I'm about to mention could be a quieter alternative that still packs a punch. Product number 2, DeWalt DWE 575. Next up is another DeWalt option, the DWE 575, priced slightly lower at $124.55. This one's also super lightweight at 8.8 pounds, but has a slightly different bevel capacity of 53 degrees. If you're looking for a balance between price and performance, this is definitely worth a serious look. The 15-amp motor here is equally powerful, ensuring you can tackle even the toughest jobs without hassle. It features a 2 9/16" depth of cut, which gives you versatility for various applications. The integrated dust blower keeps your line of sight clear, addressing a common frustration when making precise cuts. With a 4.7-star rating from about 2,100 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate its performance. Here's why this matters for you. If you need a dependable saw that helps maintain visibility while cutting, this could be your go-to tool. However, some users have mentioned that the dust blower could be stronger. But honestly, it still does a decent job for most applications. And if you're cutting larger pieces, you might want to use a vacuum anyway. So, it's not a major drawback. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable saw that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you're after a saw with advanced features because this one keeps it simpler. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something more budget-friendly. Product number 3, Skil 5080-01. Coming in hot at just $44 is the Skil 5080-01. This caught my eye because of its impressive performance for such a low price. If you're on a tight budget but still want a reliable saw, this is worth a serious look. With a 13-amp motor, it still offers a decent amount of power for everyday tasks. The 51-degree bevel capacity allows for a variety of cuts, which is great for those DIY projects around the house. Plus, the spindle lock makes changing blades a breeze, saving you time and effort. Boasting a 4.6-star rating from over 5,300 reviews, many users praise its performance for the price. Here's why this matters for you. If you're a beginner or just need a saw for occasional use without spending a fortune, this one could fit perfectly into your toolkit. Now, some users noted that it's not as durable as higher-end models. Here's the thing though, if you're a casual user, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. Just handle it with care, and it should serve you well for your needs. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out or need something for light-duty work. Skip this one if you plan on using it for heavy-duty tasks because it might not hold up as well. Now, if you found the Skill 5080-01's limitations a bit concerning, the next saw I have might just deliver what you need in terms of performance. Product number 4, Skill Saw SPD 77WML-01. Next is the Skill Saw SPD 77WML-01, priced at $189.99. This saw is a bit of an investment, but it's designed for heavy-duty use. If you need something that can handle tough jobs with ease, this is worth a serious look. It features a powerful 15-amp dual-field motor that helps it cut through lumber quickly and efficiently. The 53-degree bevel is perfect for a wider variety of cuts, accommodating more complex projects. Also, the magnesium construction makes it one of the lightest worm drive saws on the market, reducing user fatigue during long sessions. With a 4.8-star rating from about 2,500 reviews, users rave about its performance and durability. Here's why this matters for you. If you're working on bigger, more demanding projects, this saw is built to handle that level of intensity. However, a few users mentioned that it can feel a bit heavy after prolonged use. But honestly, the performance and durability you get with this saw make it a worthwhile trade-off for professionals. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor or someone who frequently tackles larger projects. Skip this one if you're looking for a lightweight option for casual use, because it may wear you out faster. Alright, let's move on to the final pick, which offers a solid balance of performance and affordability. Product number 5, Craftsman Kmies 500. Last but not least is the Craftsman Circular Saw, model Kmies 500, retailing for $79. This caught my attention because it offers great performance at a mid-range price. If you want a reliable saw without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. The 13-amp motor runs at 5,300 revolutions per minute, making it fast enough for most cutting tasks. The 7¼ blade is carbide-tipped, which improves the cutting performance significantly. It has a 45-degree bevel capacity for accurate angle cuts, ensuring you can get the job done right. With a 4.5-star rating from over 1,200 reviews, it's clear that users are satisfied. Here's why this matters for you. If you need a reliable saw for general use, this one delivers without costing a fortune. Now, some users did mention that it might struggle with thicker materials. But honestly, for most home projects, you shouldn't run into that issue unless you're cutting really dense wood. So, it's not a major concern for typical users. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable yet effective tool for home repairs or DIY projects. Skip this one if you're looking for something to tackle professional-grade jobs all the time because it might not have the power you need. That wraps up our reviews. So there you have it. The DeWalt DWE-575SB and DWE-575 both offer solid performance with their powerful motors and lightweight designs. For budget-conscious buyers, the Skill 5080-01 is an excellent choice for casual projects. If you're looking for heavy-duty use, the Skill Saw SPD 77WML-01 is a fantastic investment. And lastly, the Craftsman Kmies 500 provides reliable performance without breaking the bank. Choose the one that fits your needs best and happy cutting.